Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be installing this beautiful curly reddish brown wig that I received from Nadula hair. This is their 13x4 lace frontal wig, and the density of this wig is 150% density. Off camera, I did go in and pluck the hairline just to make it look a little bit more natural, and I did spray my even lace tint in the color medium brown so that the lace can match with my skin tone. To lay down this lace, I'm going in with my Bold Hold Active lace glue, and I like to apply 2 layers of this glue, sometimes 3 whenever I want it to last longer, but I typically do 2 layers of this glue and it holds down pretty well. To blow dry this glue on a medium heat setting, and then once the glue gets tacky, like don't let it get completely dry, but let it get tacky enough, then that's when you lay that lace down right on top of where you applied the glue. To cut my lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately. I don't know, for some reason my lace just always lays down better this way. Now it is time for us to melt that lace down, so I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and this really just helps to really get that melted look, and also for it to just be secured. We need it to be fully dried and flat. Now I'm cutting my lace, and I'm starting with the first section, and I'm gonna cut in a zigzag motion. I feel like this method really helps to make my lace look more natural, because when I used to cut it straight across, it just wasn't giving that natural look. So as y'all can see, some areas are not fully glued down, so I'm going to go in with my Eben Firm Hold Adhesive Spray. And all of the areas that are lifting up, I'm just going to go back in and glue it back down. This process also helps with taking away that white cast look on that lace before you apply your foundation. Now it's time to make that lace look extra natural, like it is growing straight from your scalp. So I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the level 15. You can use any foundation for this process, but I just love the Ruby Cream Foundation. It just look at it. It just looks so natural and it just blends so well with my skin tone. So we're going to just apply that directly to the lace. So after pulling out my baby hairs, I'm going to go in and pluck the beginning of that lace where the parting space is at. And I just want to give it a little bit of like a widow's peak type of look. Not too much, but just like a slight cute little widow's peak. Now it is time to get started with styling and defining these curls. So before I get into defining my curls and styling my hair when it's like a curly unit, I like to brush the curls out. For some reason, it makes the curls, like once you define it, it just makes the curls look better. And of course, it also helps to detangle the curly hair as well. So to finish off the process of defining my curls, I love to go in with a serum. This is the Sleek and Shine serum, and this really just helps the curls to look nice and healthy. It just brings the curls out. It makes it look really just juicy. Like, we love juicy curls over here. So one thing about Nadula hair, they will never fail when it comes to a curly unit. I just love their curly units, like they never fail on that part. Actually, my first curly wig was from Nadula hair. That was years ago, and I was so hype about it, and the curls was just nice and full. So I just always knew that they were a really good curly hair company. But I do want to try their like body wave and straight wigs, so I might do that one next. To define my parting space, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. So here's the final look of this wig. I really do like the way this wig had came out, like with the style and everything. I think it just came out so cute. The color itself just makes the hair pop. Like, I just love a nice auburn, like a deep auburn type of look. And having that color with curly hair, it's just everything to me. This wig also has a nice density to it. It's nice and full. It's not on the thinner side. I just cannot stand a curly wig that's thin. And this unit is like perfect when it comes to the density as well. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.